feedback shouldn't be a one-time event. It's most effective as a loop. A feedback loop is a process that involves 3 steps: giving feedback, acting on it, and following up. For example, a teacher might say, "Your essay is strong, but adding examples would strengthen your argument." The student acts on this feedback by improving their next draft. Then, the teacher revisits the work, offers additional guidance, and celebrates progress. Feedback loops build trust and accountability. They create a culture where feedback is an ongoing conversation rather than a single critique. This helps learners feel supported and motivated to improve. When feedback loops are part of a classroom or workplace, they foster collaboration and continuous improvement. Students and teams thrive when they know their efforts are seen and their progress matters. Ready to strengthen your feedback processes? Start by building loops that inspire action and growth.